Number 1. 1989 Ford F150, price $5,900. It is powered by a reliable 302 EFI engine with low mileage and has only approximately 84,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching gray interior, this F-150 presents itself in solid condition both mechanically and cosmetically. The vehicle is fully loaded for its year, runs and drives excellent, and shows clear signs of regular maintenance. It has been owned by someone who paid close attention to its upkeep, ensuring it remains in very good running condition. The title is clean and in hand, and the registration is up to date, making this truck ready to be driven or added to a collection without any hassle. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, well-preserved classic Chevy pickup that offers timeless styling combined with dependable performance. Showing approximately 81,000 miles, this truck has been lightly used and carefully maintained over the years. It has recently received a partial restoration that enhances both its appearance and mechanical condition. The brake system has been refreshed to ensure confident stopping power, while the paint and bodywork have been updated to give the truck a clean, solid look that still retains its classic character. In addition, the engine has undergone a full tune-up, allowing it to start easily and run smoothly. The vehicle has been gently driven and not abused, making it a strong example of a classic C10 that remains reliable and enjoyable to own. Number 3. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $8,000, equipped with a 4.0L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck has been well maintained with regular oil changes every 5,000 miles, recently flushed fluids, and new spark plugs, fuel filter, and air filter. A Flowmaster muffler has also been installed. Upgrades include a 4-inch skyjacker lift with steering stabilizer, 33-inch tires and wheels, newer brakes, and a clutch replaced approximately 5,000 miles ago. It also comes with all-new headlights, taillights, and fog lights, along with a fully upgraded audio system featuring a head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera, new speakers, and an amp and subwoofer combo. The only noted issue is a cracked windshield that does not leak or obstruct visibility. Number 4. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,000. This is a classic short bed OBS truck powered by a 5.7L V8 engine with 108,000 miles, and it runs and drives well. It features a black exterior combined with a gray interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appearance. The truck is equipped with working air conditioning and heating, providing comfort for both daily driving and longer trips. It sits on new 15-inch tires and includes a new dash door and roll pan, adding value and potential for further customization. There is some minor surface rust underneath, which is typical for a 1991 vehicle and does not affect its drivability. The truck has been stored for quite some time, which explains its solid condition and overall originality, making it a great candidate for an OBS enthusiast or a reliable classic pickup. Number 5. 1999 Ford F150, price $2,950, powered by a 5.4L V8 Triton engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck has 186,000 miles and is described as running like a brand new vehicle, remaining mechanically mint. It features a white exterior with a gray interior, runs on gasoline, includes 4 doors with rear-hinged back doors, and is equipped with a heavy-duty towing package. The title is clean and in hand, with registration valid through 2027. This is a one-owner, mechanic-owned truck that has been carefully maintained and babied throughout its life. It originally served as a shop truck for a classic car restoration business and has been in the same family since new. Major mechanical work has been completed, including an engine rebuild in 2019, a transmission rebuild in 2022, suspension components and shocks replaced in 2024, and in 2025 it received new all-terrain tires, brakes, rotors, wheel bearings, a complete tune-up, and a new fuel pump. Number 6. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,500, well-maintained truck powered by a strong Magnum V8 engine and equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable for both daily driving and light off-road use. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The vehicle has traveled approximately 165,000 miles and is finished in a red exterior color that pairs nicely with its gray interior. This 2-door pickup comfortably seats 4 passengers and features a mild lift along with step rails, adding to its rugged appearance while also improving ease of entry. The truck runs well and has documented oil change records, showing that it has been regularly serviced. The interior is very clean for its age, and it is fitted with good tires, providing confidence and reliability on the road. Number 7. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, powered by a 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a four-wheel drive system. The truck has accumulated approximately 360,000 miles and runs and drives very well. It features an extended cab with a short bed and comes equipped with the Z71 off-road package as well as a factory tow package, making it suitable for both daily use and heavier duty needs. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a tan leather interior. Power windows are included, and the air conditioning blows cold, adding to overall driving comfort. The vehicle is gasoline-powered and offers reliable performance despite its mileage. There is a noticeable dent on the passenger side, but it does not affect the truck's driving condition. Number 8. 1997 Ford F150, price $4,400. This truck is powered by a 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has covered 227,000 miles. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, feels very smooth, and has no warning lights on the dashboard. It has received extensive recent updates, including new tires, a new transmission, a new driveshaft, new spark plugs and cables, a new alternator, and a new computer. The stereo system has also been replaced and works well. The mileage is original, and the vehicle comes with a clean Florida title that is ready in hand, making this a solid and well-maintained truck overall. Number 9. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck has accumulated approximately 225,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by a 5.7-liter engine, this rust-free truck has a straight body and only requires minor paint work to improve its appearance. The vehicle retains its original power windows, power locks, and factory radio, all of which are still functioning properly. It has recently been fitted with new tires and has received a complete tune-up. The original window sticker is still included, adding to its authenticity. The air conditioning system remains complete with its original R12 setup, though it will require servicing. The truck comes with a clean Texas title that is currently in the owner's name. Number 10. 1979 Ford F250, price $3,000, powered by a 460 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, featuring a gear vendor's overdrive for improved highway cruising. The truck shows approximately 78,000 miles and is finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. It comes with a clear Florida title and represents a solid foundation for a restoration or project build. Rust is present around the roofline, window areas, and the bed floor, which should be taken into consideration by potential buyers. The vehicle currently runs off a bottle rather than the factory fuel system, indicating that additional work will be required to return it to regular driving condition.